We are looking to talk to one of your students.
Okay, can I ask who you're asking to speak to? Can you just hang out here for 1 second?
Well, hold on a second. You're going to have to follow me.
Can the police show up at your child's school and make them present themselves for questioning by law enforcement? That's the question we have in today's video. This is Rich Gallardi, attorney at Shane Smith Law. Let's watch the video and see where this goes.
Hi, how can I help you?
We are looking to talk to one of your students.
Okay, can I ask who you're asking to speak to?
I'm sorry?
Can I ask who you're asking to speak to?
Sure, yeah.
It's
Okay.
Broadway.
Okay, can you just hang out here for 1 second?
Well, hold on a second. You're going to have to follow me.
Okay, I'm gonna stand right here. Hey, Sarah. Okay, yeah, can you call Lucas? We can just wait here for the principal, that's fine.
So as you can see from the video, law enforcement shows up looking for a student, saying they have questions to ask this young man. The school official who's at the front desk tells the officer that she needs to get the principal before they can decide or determine whether or not to release the student or make the student available for questioning from law enforcement. The school official mentions that they need to wait for the principal before releasing the student for questioning. Let's see where the video goes from here.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, I'm Lucas.
Sorry, sir.
Hey, how are you?
Good. Yeah, you got to talk to a student here. We're pretty sure he's here, but
Oh yeah, what's going on?
wanted for questioning. I'll shoot.
Okay, so basically, I can't let you guys come in and pick him from the school. I can let him know that you're here, and then I can ask him if he wants to talk to you. But if he refuses, then I can't go get him and bring him to you. That's not to say that you can't get him after school hours or anything like that, but that's just our policy.
So we see now the principal shows up and speaks with law enforcement. Law enforcement shows the principal exactly the student they want to question, and they explain to him, at least in a general sense, why they want to question this person. The principal does not go and get the student right away. Instead, he tells law enforcement that it's a policy of the district to let the student know that law enforcement wants to question him, and the student can thereafter go back to law enforcement and answer the questions if they want to. However, it's not the policy of the district to bring the student to law enforcement. Let's see how this plays out.
So I can let him know, and then what I would say to him is, what I'll message him is.
So you're confirming he's here, but you can't bring him to us? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not confirming or denying he's here. I'm just saying it's our policy that we would bring a student to you guys. So
He's wanted for attempt homicide last night.
I get it. I mean, trust me, I get it. I'm just saying that, whatever the circumstance, it's always the way that we do it.
Do you have kids?
Yeah, so I'm not going to talk about my kids. I'm not gonna talk
So
about
again, we see the principal reiterating the position of the district that they will not bring the student to law enforcement for questioning, and they're not even confirming whether or not the student is on the property. However, they do commit to informing the student that law enforcement wants to speak with him, and they'll give the student the choice or the option to speak with law enforcement on his time after school. What we see here is not usually what happens in the interactions between law enforcement and school districts. Typically, law enforcement and school districts are on the same side. Oftentimes, school administrators are viewed similar to how law enforcement officials are viewed in this type of situation, and they're oftentimes working together to interrogate, question, or even search the property of a student on school property. So this video is a little different than usual, but in this situation, the policy of this school district was for the principal merely to communicate to the student that law enforcement wanted to speak with him. If you like learning about your rights and how to apply them, please like this video and subscribe for more. Remember to hit the bell for notifications. If you need help with this type of issue or any other legal issue, please reach out to us at 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.